guys, and welcome to another video of Hoodstick. Today we're going to go for a decent POV drive because we need to take the Skyline to an MOT because it's ran out. So we're going to make our way there right now. Drinks, by the way, in 2022. Number 6, yeah? You come to get the car MOT'd as well? Huh? Oh man, you're right, you're good. You're right, yeah, you're good. Same, man. Yes, man. Coming in, I was like, no way. You're right. Big shout out to Pisces Fish Bar. So we're going to try their finest fish and chips. So if you're ever in Birmingham, Pisces Fish and Chips. Talha's R34, no joke.
Feel the throat, proper short throat. That's all it is.
Wow. What the hell? How much power is it again?
421 to the roof.
421.
I ragged this car around like there's no tomorrow. I feel sorry. I feel sorry for the car.
It's got a battery light.
Right. It's got ABS light. All it does is scream, it barely moves. Doesn't move anymore. Still going there.
And my headlights are gone. Adam's new whip.
Yeah, man. Way from the EP3.
Yeah. What's it pushing?
215.
215?
Yeah.
I like it.
I'll give it a rev.
Oh, go on then.
lots of purpleness.
Yes! Again, man! Again!
How we doing? You good?
We just linked it in a gravity car show, man. And same thing again, man. 215 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
And you beat an i30N.
Yep.
Wow, man. Forged on valve.
Yeah.
What intercooler have you got?
The stock intercooler, it's literally just filter.
Yeah.
All the boost hoses from Dyna Days. Full exhaust from the, except the downpipe.
Got ourselves a BMW M140. This one's running close to 700 brake horsepower. Absolutely animal. Look at the size of the caliper. Look at that. Amazing, amazing piece of car this is. Serious car this is. M140s are taking over. Lexus, we're doing a night meet today. E36. I would love to get another QP36. Got twin Ben, you got twin Ollie. Twins. That is nice, that is.
It's alright for a 1 Series.
Beautiful, beautiful, man. Beautiful cars, 370Z. Amazing. We had one of these, which I'll show you guys later, but this is a car and a half. Oh my god, I love these. It's got an army carbon effect on the rear tail. Beautiful. Shout out to the owner of this. Yeah. Nice. You alright though, yeah?
Yeah.
Good? Yeah. I'm gonna be back.
Can't hear it.
I'm gonna be back.
Where you going?
Just taking a friend out. Night drive, man,
Yeah.
with Jason. What's your Instagram, man?
Jason_Laidler.
This guy's got skills with bikes. Left, right, centre. He can pull up the craziest wheelies. And I'm telling you, man, he's going somewhere. Just gotta keep showing him the support. Yeah. What the hell was that on the floor? Did you see it?
No.
It bounced the car.
Yeah, I felt it.
What the hell was that on the floor? Did you see it?
No.
It bounced the car.
Yeah, I felt it.
Oh man, thank you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting me take you out.
Yeah, nah, cheers, man.
It wasn't long enough, but at least we got to have some
Yeah,
fun.
nah, got to go out, it was fun.